Hey guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel, LaMonicas Lab. If you're new, today in the lab I'm going to be reviewing a new foundation that I saw in Sephora, and what I did was picked up some samples of it so that we can try it out. It is a new foundation by Mercier. So if you want to see my thoughts on this foundation and all the details regarding it, give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And before we even get into the video, I'm just going to let you know right now a bit of information about this foundation. It is the Mercier Flawless Lumiere Radiance Perfecting Foundation. I'm looking at my notes here. It's a luminous liquid foundation with 15 hours of hydration and weightless medium to full coverage. And it only comes in 30 shades. So Mercier, I'm going to need for you to add a few more shades, because looking at the color spectrum here on their website, it looks like there's only like 3 to 4 deep shades. Everything else is a medium to light, and even it doesn't even have a lot of fair tones either. So we'll see how this goes, but it is a 15 hour of hydration and weightless medium to full coverage foundation. So I'm excited to see the hydration it is going to give my skin, as well as the feel of it and things like that. So yeah, if you want to see my thoughts on this new Mercier foundation, then keep on watching. So again, I picked up 3 shades. I have it in the shade Dusk, and I'm going to do some swatches, so don't worry. And I also have it in Suntan and Chai. So hopefully this works out. I'm going to read a little bit more of this because it actually has some skincare components in it, which is the reason that I wanted to try this foundation. It has, let's see, vitamin C, which will boost your skin's luminosity, revealing brighter, clearer, and more even toned skin over time. It also has, or stating that skin appears more even and the appearance of dark spots are reduced after 4 weeks of use. So if you have dark spots, then definitely try to give this a shot just off of their claims, but we'll see once we test everything out, my final thoughts, and you guys can go off of that. And it also says that it has a powered by silver ear mushroom extract to hydrate and smooth the skin instantly for a maximum skin comfort. So it replenishes the skin while softening the look of fine lines and wrinkles. I'm intrigued to see how this is going to go. So let's get started on this. I am going to swatch the 3 before we go on onto the skin. So first I'm going to swatch the shade Dusk. And let's just see. This is Dusk. Looking a little light. That is definitely not gonna cut it. This one is Suntan. And then this one is Chai. I really think I'm gonna be Chai when I was swatching it in the store, but let's see. So by the looks of it, I think I'm going to go in with Chai, because Dusk is too light, especially around my mouth area. If you're new to my channel, I do have dark pigmentation around my mouth, so using lighter foundations really do look ashy around the mouth area, so I try to stay away from those. And then Suntan is a bit too orange for me, more warm, too warm. So we're just going to go in with Chai and see what we think about this. Alright, so skin is hydrated and moisturized. I went in with my Peter Thomas Roth Water Drenched Hyaluronic Cloud Dream Hydrating Moisturizer. Just a little tester of that. And then I also went in with my Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Quench Hydrating Primer. So now we're going to go in with Chai. And I'm just going to place this all over my face. Just doing the typical things that I would do when I put my foundations on. And I'm not going to put too much because I don't know how this is going to spread around. Taking my sponge. And when I was looking at their website, it actually said don't put a lot in the middle of your face if you have like fine lines and all that. I don't know. It looks beautiful on the skin off the first like impression. Looks really nice on the skin. So this is like good for normal to dry skin is what their website is saying. So if you have normal to dry skin, you should be able to get away with it. But it does mention all skin types can use it. I would just suggest if you have really oily skin to just put a mattifying primer as per. It definitely is lightweight on the skin as it claimed. And it smells really good. And it's not too liquidy. When I was putting it on, it's not too liquidy. It has some thickness to it, but not too thick to the point where it feels like it's going to be heavy on the skin. So I'm just going to put a little bit more there. But this is what it looks like when I complete it all. So now I'm going to finish the rest of my face and just use my typical products. I'll speed through it so you guys can see what I'm using if you like to see that. And I'll come back with my final thoughts on the actual foundation in itself. So I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back with my finished look, and this is what I came up with. But I can say that I actually do like this foundation. Like, it looks so nice on the skin. This is my type of foundation just off of the first impression. I am not wearing this for a long amount of time because I'm actually about to wipe all of this off and head on out to the gym. But I wanted to review this foundation as my first review of the year of 2019 for a foundation. So I definitely would give this a try if they have your shade. I don't know why it's only 30 shades, but if I haven't mentioned it, it does retail for $48. So it's a little up there with like your Nars foundation. The Nars, I believe, is $49. So it's about the same as like your higher end foundation luxury brands. But this foundation is super lightweight on the skin. It did not lie about that. I was able to achieve my typical like complexion when it comes to blush, concealer, as you guys saw in the clip. I actually went in with the La Mercier translucent powder. So yeah, I actually like how this turned out. It makes your skin look so radiant, and that's why I like it as well. I'm not seeing any like extra creasing or anything like that. This around my smile lines is doing it a little bit right here, but that's because I also didn't set it. I'm not setting it around my mouth because I'm going to take it off, but just around here, I always have issues with that. It doesn't matter what foundation I wear. So yeah, if you're interested in checking out the La Mercier Flawless Lumiere Radiance foundation, then let me know down below in the comments what your thoughts are on the foundation, or if you're going to go get a sample from your closest or your local Sephora. Let me know down below in the comments what you guys think, and that's all I really have to say about the foundation. I give it a 2 thumbs up for now. I'll have to wear it throughout the day and like come back and let you guys know in the comments how it actually wore for a long amount of hours throughout the day, like maybe a work shift. I'll come back and let you guys know how it worked out, but just off of the first impressions, I like it. I'll definitely have to purchase this now that I really do like this, so we'll see. But I'll keep you guys posted in the comments. But nevertheless, until next time, love, peace, and beauty, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.